Hello, everyone. This is our second lesson of week number 9 of our online learning. So, in the frame of the topic, legends, myths, and legends, today we are doing one reading, and also we are learning about uses of some specific conjunctions that will be in our reading text. Okay, so conjunctions. We have already been introduced to this topic for the previous weeks. And, but, so, and, yeah, because we have learned about them. So basically, conjunctions are used to join different parts of a sentence together. So it helps us to join parts of a sentence. So examples can be if, and, but, where, so, and when. Now, let's look at some examples of these conjunctions and, but, and so. I like carrots and broccolis. So for this and, which is written in bold, is used to join two things, yeah, carrots and broccolis in a sentence. So it's not connecting sentences, but it's connecting two words in a sentence. Next one. She likes, oh, it's supposed to be likes. Likes. She likes carrots. Okay. She likes carrots. But her son doesn't like carrots. So here, but is used to show contrast in this sentence. So one likes carrot, one doesn't like. There is the contrast, and the word but is here to help to connect this to contrast different sentences, different meaning sentences. And for the third example, I like the jacket very much, so I bought it. So here, I like the jacket very much is the reason. So I bought it is the result of this reason, yeah? Because you liked it, you bought it. So that so is used to connect these two parts of a sentence, like two clauses. Now, we have had already used this kind of conjunctions. Today, we are learning some more conjunctions. So, if, what's the use of if conjunction in a sentence? So, if is used to show a condition in a sentence. Example can be, if it rains, we will get wet. If it rains, we will get wet. This is the condition. If it rains, it's not raining. If rains, we will get wet. So this is the condition. So if is used to show a condition in this sentence. How about where? Where is used to give more details of places. Example, I will show you the place where she lives. So I will show you the place is one sentence, and where she lives is the more details of the place. What kind of place will you show me? I'll show you the place where she lives. It's giving more details of this place that I wanted to show, yeah? Okay, so that's why where is used to give details of places. Now when conjunction is used to show timing in a sentence. For example, when I was a little girl, I used to play hopscotch. So when is showing this timing in the past, yeah? I was a little girl. When I was a little girl, I used to play hopscotch. Or you could ask this sentence. This is the main sentence, yeah? I used to play hopscotch. When? When I was a little girl. It gives more details of the timing. When you were small. Next one. Here, on your Learner's Book, page number 81. So for this lesson, you're asked to read these myths called The Unicorn Who Walks Alone. So let's look at some more examples from these myths. So here, for the first part, here, second paragraph, first part, it says, in a land far away, there was a wood where the animals lived under the green trees. There was a pool of fresh water where the animals came to drink. So let's talk about only this part, and the rest of the part you read on your own and figure out how some of the conjunctions are being used in this text. So if we analyze this one sentence, one very long sentence, it was supposed to be 4 different small sentences, but because this where conjunctions helped, we could put them into only one sentence that makes complete sense. Let's see. In a land far away, there was wood. There was a wood, yeah? The animals lived in the wood. There was a pool of fresh water. The animals came to drink the fresh water. So it's supposed to be this way, 4 different sentences, but we use conjunction where to make more sense, yeah? So for example, here, for the first 2 sentences, in the land far away, there was a wood where the animals lived. So we used where to connect these 2 sentences to one whole sentence. There was a pool of fresh water where the animals came to drink. So it is again where that helps us to connect the sentences. What kind of pool? It's the pool where the animals came to drink. What kind of wood? It's the wood where the animals lived. So just like this, we use conjunctions to help us connect the sentences and make more sense. And it's easier for us to read the sentences. Otherwise, if we read these sentences separately, it's going to be really hard for us to understand what it really means, right? So conjunctions are really helpful tools that we could use for our writing and also for reading. Okay, now let's move on to our homework part. Now, as you can see here, very first homework is on your Learner's Book, page 81. You could do exercise 6. Here are some it says parts of sentences, but you use these conjunctions to make this sentence one full sensible sentence, okay? So you're given 5 sentences and you'll be asked to make a full sentence using these different parts of a sentence using the conjunctions given. That's the first homework. It's here. And next homework is activity book, exercise 3, page 65. There also you're asked to fill in some of the conjunctions in a sentence to practice more about our learning journey, okay? And next one, third homework is I want you to read the myth called Unicorn Who Walks Alone that we have just worked on, and finish reading the whole myth and answer those 4 questions. Who was the villain of the myth? What does Gallop mean? Who was the hero of the story? And what does Slither mean? So those 4 questions, you can find the answers from the reading text. And if you're not sure about the meaning of those new words, you can look it up in a dictionary and find out the meaning or the definition of the words. So this is the end of the lesson, and let's see you guys next time. Goodbye.